Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I would be very happy if you subscribe and like and support me. Have a good time.
The Optiq will anchor Cadillac's EV lineup, offering a more affordable price than Lyriq. As General Motors continues rolling out its Ultium EV platform, we're getting a better look at all of the forms it will take under its various brands like Chevrolet, GMC, and others. Cadillac in particular is pushing hard to expand its EV offerings, having already launched the Lyriq midsize SUV, new Escalade IQ, and Celestiq ultra-luxury cruiser. But maybe you've noticed cars are getting a little pricey these days. That means even a luxury maker like Cadillac needs an attainable entry-level model, electric or otherwise. Well, Cadillac is getting that entry point to its electric lineup, the new 2024 Optiq, which is smaller and less expensive than the Lyriq. The Optiq's design places all the drama and flair we would generally expect from a Caddy front and center, with the grille screaming Cadillac and the monochrome emblem in the middle. Horizontal and vertical LED lightbars are par for the course among modern Cadillacs, too, but their flow with the body line stops them from being obnoxious. Past its nose, the Optiq is subdued. There aren't many flourishes on either side of the vehicle other than the weird placement of the mini emblem over the charge port door. There is a little more excitement in the back, with angular brake lights that lead the eye toward the equator-like divide between the top and bottom halves of the vehicle. The strakes on the rear quarter windows give us strong 80s vibes, but altogether our jaws aren't dropping. The Optiq is attractive but not stunning. You'll have to step up to the Lyriq for that. We're focusing on the aesthetics so far because, well, that's all Cadillac's given us so far to chew on outside of some basic dimensions. No other details outside of these photos and the general idea that this is an entry-level electric Cadillac were revealed. That said, we're fairly certain that the Optiq will have a lot in common with the upcoming Chevrolet Equinox EV. Both vehicles look to have very similar dimensions, but we won't go as far as to say that the Optiq is just a reskinned Equinox EV. When it comes to powertrain options, we expect the Optiq to be similar to the Lyriq and offer single-motor RWD at the base and dual-motor AWD at the top of the trim. If the Lyriq is the yardstick by which the Optiq is measured, we think 275 to 300 horsepower for the base model is a reasonable assumption. When it comes to MSRP, we think it may fall somewhere in the neighborhood of $50,000 to start and around $60,000 for the fully loaded top trim. We'll bring you more detail as soon as Cadillac reveals it.